Okay, we're going to start off with adding polynomials. Let's go ahead and here start with number 1. When they're adding polynomials, you don't have to rewrite all this, but I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it for us so we see what we're doing. Plus 7 plus 3x plus 8. You'll notice here that I didn't change any of the values. That term is still 6x, that term is still 7, that term is still 3x, that term is still 8. They're all the same terms. Adding them together didn't change each of those values. What we're going to look for now, we're going to look for like terms. So we have a 6x and a 3x. Those are like terms. Then we have a 7 and an 8. Those are both like terms. What I'm going to do is put those together. 6x and 3x. If I have 6x's and 3x's and put them together, I have 9x. Then my constant, 7 plus 8, is 15. I need a sign because it's between two of them, so I put a plus. That's adding polynomials. Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's go ahead and do number 4. That's really the only other one we add. This one is actually more subtracting, and I'll go over that one in the next video. We're going to do the same thing on this one, but since it's adding and there's no negatives to mess with outside of the parentheses, I'm not going to rewrite it. I don't feel the need to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, this is an x squared term. Do I have any more x squared? Oh, look, there's another x squared term right there. Let's find our x terms. There's my x terms. And if you'll notice, I underline or box in the signs in front of them if they have them, because that goes with it. And then I have my constants, which I'm going to put in a circle at the end of each of them. So let's put my boxes together. Get in the habit of starting with the highest exponent, is that automatically puts polynomials in standard form. Standard form polynomials means the highest exponent first. So we have negative 2x squared and negative x squared. So we have negative 2 combined with negative 1. We're combining like terms basically in this. When we put those together, I have 3 negatives. So I have negative 3 x squared. So then let's look at my x's. I have a 2x and a 4x. One way we can look at this, since we're combining these together, my 2x's, that's 2 positives, and then my negatives, I have 4 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. Well, when I have a plus and minus together, that cancels out to be a 0 pair. This plus and minus together cancels out to be a 0 pair. That leaves me 2 negatives. Minus 2x. There's my 2 negatives. Minus 2. And then I have negative 4 and 2. Hey, that's basically the same thing I just did. That's going to be minus 2. That is my answer for that one.